Here's what's really cool about Traycer. So after you install it, Traycer is going to work in the background and it's going to generate hints and recommendations and code changes for you. You don't have to think about it. You don't have to ask it any questions. So let me show you here a couple of examples. I have a sidebar here that shows a bunch of suggestions that Traycer categorizes into 4 different buckets: bugs, performance, security, and clarity. Okay, so this is awesome. I'm gonna go to one file, and this is the flagging file. Let me see if there are any recommendations. Yes, there is a bug here that says add error handling for accessing instance.confidence to avoid runtime error. I'm gonna ask a question. Why do you think this is going to raise an exception? And basically, it's like chatting with your recommendation engine here, right? It's telling you, hey, do this, but you can try to understand a little bit more, and you can get, well, without the error handling, trying to directly access instance.confidence can lead to an attribute error. This is like having a second person looking over your shoulder, telling you how you can improve the code as you write it. And I think that is amazing.